I've seen so many software devs stress about AI taking over their jobs, and in some cases, it is true. But I keep seeing many devs miss the point on why they are taking their jobs. Just a few years ago, and even up to now, you might have seen senior devs getting laid off. Now, for what the people do not know is that they are getting laid off because they simply make too much. I know that sounds crazy, but when a dev is making over $200,000 plus a year, why not get rid of them and hire someone making 60 to 80,000 starting out? The company just saved hundreds of thousands of dollars by just one person. This would go and explain why even big companies like Google or Amazon do this, because it would be saving them millions. Now you might be asking, what does this have to do with AI? Well, these companies think they can easily replace highly paid seniors with cheaper juniors with AI, but without that senior level oversight to actually audit the AI, those cheaper devs could easily end up blindly pasting code they don't fully understand. Without that deep engineering experience, you aren't actually saving the company money. You're just generating a massive backlog of unoptimized code. With that said, it is pretty simple for these companies to try and cut corners, saving them money and hours, because these new devs they hire have a better understanding and ability to use AI. Along with that, these new devs, including partly myself, have an extensive knowledge of AI and how to incorporate these models into the job force. For example, one dev with AI could easily outperform many senior devs in production-ready code. So without a strong understanding of AI, they would not know how to prompt and audit these models. Developers risk falling into the habit of vibe coding. This results in AI slop, which is inefficient, unchecked code that suffers from poor time and space complexity. This will go on and explain why many senior engineers are getting laid off. It isn't just a cost-cutting measure to shed high salaries. Companies are actively downsizing their headcount by integrating AI to streamline development, potentially saving hundreds of thousands of engineering hours a year. On the other hand, a new dev that only relies on AI to write code, they will never actually learn how to write code like a senior. They become dependent on the tool and think of it as a solution and not what it is, which is a tool. On that topic, AI is a force multiplier, but multiplying 0 is still 0. You still need strong foundational coding skills to know if the AI is lying to you. With that said, I fully believe software devs are completely safe as long as they have a deep understanding of how to incorporate AI into projects. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.